Hey and welcome into the third lesson of this course called The Secret of Tal's Magic. Just like when you watch an ordinary show of a magician, if you know the tricks that this guy uses, then watching it becomes even somewhat boring because you just understand how everything's going and there is no magic anymore, no mystery. And pretty often you even come to realize that the trick was pretty dumb and simple. And here we're just gonna deconstruct the magic of Tal in the exact same manner. So I'm gonna show you how he managed to find those unexpected shocking moves to his opponents. But first of all, let's come back to the Tal's main motto. People crack under attack. But of course, it doesn't happen just in 1 second, just after watching this video once, because you need to practice it. Just like any other skill, it requires practice before you can start following it automatically. And that is why you will find in the future lessons of this course, you will find so many different examples how Tal followed these strategies. Pay attention to them. Now you know the strategy, so you can understand yourself exactly how Tal found his brilliant moves. And I invited our guest contributor, Mado, who is a chess coach, commentator, and he has his very unique, entertaining style, and that's why he also has a lot of followers to his YouTube videos. So he's very unique, entertaining, and I hope that he will help you to not only train these skills, but also to do it in a fun way. So go ahead, check out the remaining videos of this course, and always just find the ways exactly how Tal followed this thinking algorithm in the following examples. Good luck. If you practice long enough, you'll be able to become a great attacking player, and that's exactly what I wish for you. And now let me give the chance to Mado to present yourself with the brilliant, greatest examples of the Tal's games.